So Matrix Keyboards sent me out some stuff. Huge shout out to them. They sent me out a couple custom cable, well not custom, but they sent me out a couple coiled aviator cables for keyboards with USB Type-C, and they also sent me out this this keyboard set as well. I actually don't know the name of this colorway, but it's green and purple, so that's pretty cool. I'll have it linked in the description below. I don't even know if this one is live on their website yet. I haven't really looked recently, even though I have bought some stuff. I bought the green mouse pad. It's coming with my Clicks keyboard that I ordered as well. And actually one of these cables is gonna go perfectly with that Clicks keyboard actually. So can't wait for that to get here. The one that I borrowed that I reviewed was actually from my friend George. So huge shout out to him for letting me borrow it. I did order one to use for a while, but these keycaps actually look really cool. This neon green, this really deep grape purple, I'll call it. This looks pretty freaking sweet. Standard Matrix keycaps quality, of course, which is very good. Like, they have probably some of the best aftermarket keycap sets that I can recommend, especially for the price too. Now, they're not the cheapest. They're about 45 bucks plus shipping. Shipping on average for me is about 10 to 15 bucks. I'm not gonna say they're necessarily cheap, but they are better than other keycaps that I've used for around 40 to 50 to 60 bucks. Now these are shine through for RGB as well, and they do shine through really good. Double shot quality is pretty good. Let's go ahead and pull one off here. As you can see, the quality is actually pretty good. The double shot material is nice, clear, not a ton of like imperfections either on these keycaps, so that's why Matrix is one of my favorite in terms of keycap quality. And I'm just trying to get them to do some more colorways. I'm waiting for them to do a blue and orange, and you already know I'm copping that one. So yeah, so huge shout out to them for sending this one out. It does come with a full keycap set as well as this key puller here. Personally, I prefer the wired keycap pullers just because I feel like it's a bit safer for especially your more expensive keycap sets. You don't want to scratch them or damage them. So if you have a wired keycap puller, I would just use that. If not, you can use this one, just be kind of careful. And then next, let's see which cable this is. I took a sneak peek at them, but I didn't know what they had sent me or when it was getting here, but okay, cool. This one is the matching cable as well. I'll put the names up of everything on the screen so you guys will know what to order if you want to check Matrix out and order one for yourself. But obviously the packaging is pretty excellent, as we've seen in my massive tech unboxing. If you guys watched that video, I was pretty impressed with the packaging of these new coiled cables from Matrix. Oh, whoa. Cool. All right, we got that out. So this one is the matching green and pink that goes well with this keycap set, of course, obviously. And then you do have the white Tech Flex and the regular silver aviator, which I hope Matrix at some point starts to do colored aviators. I think that would be really cool, but I'm sure that would probably increase the cost a little bit. But I wouldn't mind paying a little extra for something that's really nice. The coil springiness is pretty good as well. I would say that this is about on par with some of the other more expensive cable makers out there, and 35 bucks plus shipping, about 50-ish bucks. Not horrible, I would say. So still under 100 bucks, you can have a lot of customization and aesthetic changes to your keyboard without necessarily breaking the bank. You can easily spend $100 on a custom cable. I've done it before. I'm not gonna say that I wasn't glad to do it either, because you do get a certain level of quality and everything, but I'm not gonna lie to you, this is pretty close. So I do think that this price, 35 plus shipping, is well worth it. Let's check out the other one as well. Like I said, this one is the Clicks colorway, or very similar to it. It's black and red. These are in there like super tight, and I'm just trying to make sure that I don't damage it or mess up the coils, because I want them to look good, of course. All right, so here it goes. Take a closer look at this one. Really nice black Tech Flex with that deep red paracord on the inside. We got matching red shrink wrap as well. Same aviator cable as well. And yeah, it just looks really clean. I like how Matrix has their logo stamped onto the Tech Flex, on the USB port as well. And of course, these are USB Type-C. So if you do have a keyboard that has USB micro or mini even, you will need an adapter to make this work. Most of the modern keyboards nowadays are coming with USB Type-C, so it's not really a ton to worry about. Just gotta make sure your keyboard has it. If not, get an adapter. And yeah, I just think it looks really clean for the price. It's not bad. You are getting a lot more options. The coiled aviator space is getting pretty competitive these days. Like, there are a lot of different companies that are all doing really good work, and I guess Matrix wanted a piece of that pie. I'm not gonna lie, it's kind of good that they have them because now you can order pretty much almost everything you would need aesthetically in one place for your keyboard. The only thing that they could do additionally, I mean, they already have space bars. They already have, you know, obviously the really good keycap sets. They have these cables now. And I mean, the only thing they could really add probably is artisan keycaps. And I think that would be pretty cool too if they done some really cool artisan keycaps with like people that you work with, like maybe like a Clicks logo or like whatever teams they would choose to work with in the future. They can do some really cool artisan keycaps to match. And this new keycap set, as well as these coil cables, this is gonna go absolutely perfect with my new Kiwi switches, and I can't wait to use them. I just pulled out my old Roselios out of this Monster Gear keyboard, put in the new Kiwi switches, and I'm gonna slap these on and see how good they look and sound, and yeah, experience the whole thing. It's gonna be a pretty sweet build, I think. Stay tuned for that video. That's coming up real soon. But that's all I got for you guys. If you guys enjoyed, be sure to drop a like and subscribe if you're new to the channel. Huge shout out to Matrix for sending out this stuff for review. If you guys want to check them out, their link will be in the description below. And yeah, I know this stuff might seem a little expensive, but it's really not that bad. It's actually pretty reasonable. Any questions, feel free to leave a comment or join my Discord and ask me there. And yeah, that's all I got for you guys. Take care. I will see you in the next video.